Hello, dear students. How are you? And again, you are very warm welcomed for another online classes after a break. So today we are going to start new chapter, new unit, magnetic effect of currents, and module first. So students, magnetic effect of currents means इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होता है, उसका मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट क्या होता है, कैसे रिप्रेजेंट होता है, राइट? बट आई टेल यू वन थिंग, इन दिस यूनिवर्स वी हैव स्टडीड लाइक इन 11th क्लास, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मास किस पे फोर्स लगाता है? मास पे। मास फोर्स लगाता मास पे, सिमिलरली चार्ज एक्सर्ट फोर्स ऑन चार्ज, right? Similarly, magnet exert force on magnet, charge पे, magnet पे, and mass पे force लगाता है, ठीक है? So let us start the chapter magnetic effect of current. So Oersted experiment. Actually, Oersted was a scientist. Simply, एग्जैक्ट में बेटा वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, कोई उसको ये नहीं था कि आई एम गोइंग टू सर्च द मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट. ही वाज डूइंग सम वर्क ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, यू कैन से इलेक्ट्रिक वर्क. देयर वाज अ सर्किट लाइक दिस. Circuit and key, battery, this is the resistance, कोई भी load, and was doing this experiment, वो इस experiment को कर रहा था, and this was the magnetic needle. This was the magnetic needle. Means इस सर्किट के पास ये मैग्नेटिक निडल रखी थी. And when he was doing this experiment, what was he noticed? नोटिस किया, when he closed the key, circuit is on, current is on, circuit is closed, and suddenly उसका जो पर्पज था ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का ये नहीं था, वो जस्ट बाय चांस इसको कर रहा था कि सर्किट है, मैं भी अपना घर का कोई काम करता हूं, आप भी करते हो, ऑल्सो डू. सो व्हेन ही switched off, you can switch on or you can say close the key, what did he notice? Current is moving on in the circuit, and suddenly it is moved, it is affected. Then he thought perhaps it is by chance. Again he opened the key and closed the key again. When he opened the key, it came back to its initial position. जैसे ही उसने इसको क्लोज किया तो फिर वो मूव हो गई थोड़ी सी. Surprised to see. Again he changed the polarity. Negative को positive, positive को negative. Again closed the key. Then also noticed, also this time, but this is moved in a opposite direction. जैसे ही वो की को ऑन करता, क्लोज करता सर्किट को, तो ये डिफ्लेक्ट होती. ऑन करते, ओपन करते ही की को, फिर उसी इनिशियल स्टेज में आ जाती. उसने कहा कुछ तो है. अगर इसके करंट के डायरेक्शन को चेंज करता, मींस पोलैरिटी चेंज करता, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव की जगह नेगेटिव इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, he repeated the experimentally many times, and every time it is deflected. So, on this conclusion, the name was given by Oersted experiment, and he noticed that because this is the magnetic needle, it has a magnetic field, magnetic force. So same nature of force should be developed, means मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ही डेवलप, और मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एक मैग्नेट ही प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. तो उसने क्या सोचा, उसने क्या एक्सपेरिमेंटली क्या निकाला कि अगर इस वायर में से जैसे ही करंट हम पास करते हैं तो इसमें से क्या पास होता है, इसमें क्या बनता है, एक मैग्नेट. तो मैग्नेट तभी बनेगा जब इसमें से हम क्या पास करेंगे, करंट. और जब तक हम करंट पास नहीं करेंगे डेफिनेटली मैग्नेट नहीं बना. सो इट वाज Oersted conclusion, and also it was Oersted experiment, right? So the conclusion that a current carrying conductor has always produced magnet, and around its magnetic field, like electric field, charge के कारण, this is also due to current, right? So it was his experiment. And then what did he do? What was seen? When actually this is the magnetic needle. This is the magnetic needle. Okay. North, south. This direction north, south, and this is, one side north, south, another east and west. This is west and this is east. So this is a current carrying wire. What was he noticed, and how did he give the direction of these things? He noticed that when current is moving south to north in the conductor, and wire held over magnetic needle, it is deflected towards west. It is deflected towards west. ये किसकी तरफ deflect हुई? West की तरफ. Means, also very simple method to learn it. Snow rule. Very easy. Snow. What is this rule? Current is moving from south to north, and conductor is held over a magnetic needle. Then magnetic needle is deflected towards west. ये west की तरफ deflected हो गई, right? बिलो रखेंगे उल्टा डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा. And when current north to south held over, ऊपर रखी करंट को उल्टा कर दिया, then this is deflected towards east, means नीचे की तरफ deflect हो गई. तो उसने डायरेक्शन निकाला. जब कोई करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर which is held over a magnetic needle and the current is moving from south to north, right? When current is moving from south to north and the wire is held over a magnetic needle, and the magnetic needle is deflected towards west, and again when it changes the polarity, change the direction of the current, when current is moving from north to south and wire is held over magnetic needle, then magnetic needle is deflected towards the west. And this was the very useful and very important experiment that was given by Oersted. And with the help of this experiment, Oersted concluded the magnetic effect of current. उसने ये मतलब निकाला कि कोई भी करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर है, इट ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूसेस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। इसके चारों क्या बनता है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज जस्ट द फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल and next you will have to study, then I am going for another online lecture. So मेहनत करनी पड़नी, this is just a starting. Thank you and have a nice day.